Hey y'all, Mo here with TechUpLife.com, and today I'm super excited because we are taking a look at the AAXA HP1. So the HP1 is a Halloween release of the AAXA BP1. So this thing comes preloaded with a micro SD card, and on board you're going to find several different audiovisual Halloween effects from Spectral Illusions. And in addition to serving as a projector, the HP1 is a power bank and also a Bluetooth speaker. So let's go ahead and take a look at this awesome little versatile device. So in the box, you're going to find the AAXA HP1 projector itself, as well as a few accessories. So there is a USB power brick, as well as a charging cable to juice up the projector. And then you're also going to find a USB-C cable for charging other devices, as well as for screen mirroring. So the AAXA HP1 is a DLP projector with an LED light source, and on front you are going to find that projector lens. It has 100 LED lumens of brightness and a 360p resolution, so slightly under DVD quality. And there's a 12,000 milliamp hour battery, which gives you up to 4 hours of continuous projection use. And build quality is pretty solid. You won't want to throw it around and be rough with it, but if you chuck it in a bag, it's not going to break that easily. And around the side, you are going to find a speaker. And then around back, you'll find a micro USB power input, a USB-C port for screen mirroring, a USB Type-A jack, a manual focus wheel, a 3.5 millimeter headphone port, and an on-off charge switch, as well as a micro SD card slot. And there is a micro SD card preloaded with some different Spectral Illusions Halloween audiovisual effects. So moving around to the other side of the unit, you are going to find another speaker. And then taking a look at the top of the projector, you'll find several different physical buttons for controlling the projector's on-screen display menu. So you can scroll around and hit the back button. It's easy to use. And then underneath, you'll find a threaded tripod mount for putting the AAXA HP1 on a tripod. So the HP1 comes preloaded with several different Halloween audio-visual effects from Spectral Illusions. There is a haunted pirate ship called Blow Down the Man that features some skeletons firing a cannon. It's got a fun vibe to it. There's an electric specter, and this thing looks great for a haunted hallway or projected on a garage door, the side of your house, or even in a window for a spooktacular display. And there's the ghost of Prudence Prim. And one thing I like to do with this is either make a haunted hallway or even hang up an empty picture frame on the wall so you have sort of a living portrait. The detail in this one is pretty incredible. Ghost of the Park is a ghoul wearing a top hat and holding an oil lantern. And like Prudence Prim, I think this one looks awesome for a haunted hallway or a spooky living portrait. And Phantom of the Wraith features a sort of Grim Reaper type character that's hooded and is carrying a lantern. And similar to Ghost of the Park, as well as Prudence Prim, I really enjoy setting this one up for a haunted hallway or one of those kind of moving portraits. The details are pretty stunning. And in addition to its Halloween projection capabilities, you can also use the HP1 for watching other movies and TV shows. And I was impressed with how vivid the images looked and how accurate the colors were. And I mean, granted, this thing's not high def and it's not super bright, but for what it is, the HP1 is pretty awesome. While the visuals look pretty solid, the AAXA HP1 actually blew me away with its sound quality. And granted, audio quality is not going to rival really high-end speakers from Sonos, for instance, but it's about on par with a lot of budget portable Bluetooth speakers.
I would hit. No, but missed again.
Ah, you seasick sail stainer! I'll have you keel hauled for your incompetence.
Yes, Captain. It was my bad that time. My bad, really.
Yarr! Ah, you cannon corking harbour hog. Arr, you raft riding stern fowler. Now where is that peg-legged seagull? Yeah. Avast ye! Batten down the hatches, matey, there be that cursed ship. Give no quarter, matey. Heave-ho that cannon to take her down to David Jones.
Aye, Captain.
On my mark now. Fire!
Oh,
Outside of being a projector, the HP1 actually works as a power bank for charging other devices. So I hooked up my phone and switched the HP1 into charge mode, and it was able to output a charge to my phone. So you can carry this around as a power bank, and you can even use it as a Bluetooth speaker. So I think this is a really versatile little projector. So in the end, I'm actually really impressed with the AAXA HP1 projector. So this thing is really affordable. It's versatile enough to be used as a Halloween effects projector, a Bluetooth speaker, a power bank, and even a normal video projector. Sound quality is pretty spectacular. This thing has sound quality about on par with some of my small portable projectors like the Anker Soundcore 2. And battery life is pretty solid. And I liked the preloaded Halloween effects from Spectral Images, which further make this thing a really good value. Now, it could be brighter. 360p is also a pretty low resolution, so this is not going to replace your home cinema projector. Sorry about that. But that's not really what this is for, and that's not how it's priced. If you want a good little projector to tote around, take camping, shine effects around your house, set up haunted hallways, or even just to shoot at the ceiling and watch movies in bed, I think the AAXA HP1 is a fantastic purchase. All right, thanks you all for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a like. And if you haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe to the channel for notifications when I post new videos. And head to the comment section and let me know what projectors you want me to take a look at on the channel next. And head over to techuplife.com where you can read some great editorial content like projector reviews. And until then, don't forget to give your life a tech up.